So, in observance of Thanksgiving, the market does close early today. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and Tesla stock made new highs, nearly broke $600 a share, and then it began to make lower lows and lower highs. I decided to buy a little bit of Tesla as of right now. I held my 50 shares that I hold overnight, as I shared in multiple other videos, and I've purchased 100 shares since then as I continue to day trade it as it gets to the lower levels. So right now we're getting rejected by the SMA line, we're getting rejected by the middle VWAP, and as of right now, it's not looking the best, but it has a very common pattern of selling off a little bit throughout mid of the day, and then it picks right back up. But again, because the market does close early today, it wouldn't really surprise me if it just continues to make lower lows and lower highs. And one of the stocks that I want to talk about today is not Tesla itself, but I know you guys like when I talk about stocks that were consistently uptrending and that have recently sold off. And this stock is one that I think a lot of you guys might see value in. It is a retail stock, and of course, because of COVID and everything that's going on, it has been effective, and of course, due to earnings, acted as a negative catalyst. It dropped over 20% from 27.50, which were 180-day highs, and it dropped to lows of around $21. It's trying to test and find a support level, and this is why I find it to be so attractive. GAP, or ticker symbol GPS, has been consistently showing signs of higher highs and higher lows, validating the SMA line as a previous support level. Patterns tend to repeat themselves, they don't always have to. And because it's sold off so aggressive based off of where we're at as of right now to previous resistance levels, it offers a little bit over a 25% return. And this is solely the reason that I'm talking about it. It's an attractive stock with a very consistent ascending uptrend pattern. It's a quality company. Yes, it is a retail stock, so of course, this is something that a lot of you guys need to take into consideration, as retail has been affected due to COVID. But thinking big picture, especially if you're someone that is not so much in the day trading spectrum and maybe more on the investing or swing trading spectrum, this is something that I personally would think that might meet your criteria. And if you agree, all you have to do is add it to your watch list, set your alerts, both sides, right? As we know that just because it's bounced here before doesn't mean that it has to bounce there again, and wait for confirmation of higher highs and higher lows. And this is something that I'm very excited to follow up with. I took a small position on it. I have 250 shares, which is a little bit over $5,000. So again, just some skin in the game, so I feel motivated, but not so much that if it continues to sell off as it 100% can, that I will be, again, emotional or feel uneasy. One of the stocks that I'm very excited about is, I know a lot of you guys are paying attention to it, is Tesla. To answer the very simple question, am I going to continue to hold 50 shares of Tesla overnight? Yes, because of how bullish it is. Even if it were to pull back to the EMA line, just like I talked about in yesterday's video, and just like I've talked about in almost every single video this week, there's no question that Tesla is overbought. There's no question that Tesla is overbought. From $400 to where it's at right now, it's grown over 47%. It would be very naive for you to think that it's not overextended. Can it continue to uptrend? 100%, and it just does not stop. It has not broken its pattern. So although I'm doing my part in keeping a small position size as I hold it overnight, I am also doing my part that when I see an intraday opportunity, I'm able to buy the dip aggressively with a much larger position and then lock in profits within the day, but still hold a small position where, again, I feel both effective and efficient. So I'm not up a crazy amount on the day. I keep teeter-tottering from a little bit below $1,000 profit to a little bit above $1,000 profit. But as of right now, I have 160 shares, which is a little shy, if I'm not mistaken, of about $100,000 invested in Tesla. And I'm very excited to follow up. So you guys let me know in the comment section, do you think that Tesla will break $600 a share today? And if so, drop a thumbs up. Or if you don't and you have a reason why you think it's not going to, comment that down below. But without further ado, one of the things that I wanted to remind you is we are running our Black Friday sale. It's the first link down below, our biggest sale ever, and it's $85 off the Learn Plan Profit course. So if you've ever wanted to join, more now than ever before, this is our biggest discounts, bigger than the one that we offer during the live trading session. So click the first link down below when and if you feel like you are ready to be a part of our team. And if you want to join us as soon as Monday for our live trading session, then make sure you sign up and save your spot before our 30 spots fill up. Also, our TechBuds apparel, the entire site, all apparel, all mouse pads, all flags, 35% off, meaning The bull t-shirts are $13 shipped. Flags, $13. Mouse pads, $19. Dialed and dedicated stickers with the little bull boy, $6. Again, biggest sell ever. I know you guys have a lot of other stores that you guys probably want to shop at. So we just wanted to do our part in offering the best deals possible to make sure that not only can you buy some of our stuff, but also leave some money in the bank so you guys can take advantage of the other great deals going on right now. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Again, this is at shoptechbuds.com. The link is going to be down in the description for you, and all you have to do is add it to your cart, and at checkout, it will automatically apply the discount for you. So we make it very easy for you guys. So again, all the links are down in the description for you. If you guys want the $85 off the Learn Plan Profit course, make sure you sign on up, and there it goes. We just broke above a little bit over $1,000 profit, so not too shabby. Super pumped for the day, and I'm excited to follow up on Monday to see where we open back up. So I appreciate you guys' time. I hope that it earned your thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you think about stock GPS, which is gap, and if this would be something that meets your criteria for a swing trade or a long-term play based off of current price points and previous conditions. I appreciate you guys' time, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.